गुड मॉर्निंग फ्रेंड्स. कोरोनाच्या पार्श्वभूमीवर ऑनलाईन शैक्षणिक अभ्यासक्रमामध्ये वर्ग 8वीच्या सर्व विद्यार्थ्यांचं हार्दिक स्वागत. कालच्या पहिल्या 2 तासामध्ये आपण इंग्रजी विषयाची जी फर्स्ट पोएम आहे बी द बेस्ट त्याविषयी माहिती बघत होतो. काही विद्यार्थी हे नव्याने या ग्रुपवर जॉईन झालेले आहेत, त्यामुळे परत एकदा आपण या कवितेचं वाचन करूया आणि त्याचं मीनिंग समजून घेऊया. First of all, we read the poem aloud and then understand the meaning of the poem and the meaning of the unknown word in this poem. So, the poet name was Douglas Malcho. Be the best. If you can't be a pine on the top of the hill, be a scrub in the valley, but be the best little scrub by the side of the rill. Be a bush if you can't be a tree. If you can't be a bush, be a bit of grass, and some highway happier make. If you are a muskie, then just be a bass, but the liveliest bass in the lake. We can't all be captains. We have got to crew. There's something for all of us here. There is big work to do, and there's leisure to do. And the task you must do is the near. If you can't be a highway, then just be a trail. If you can't be the sun, be a star. It isn't by size that you win or you fail. Be the best of whatever you are. Douglas Malcho. So this is the poem and the poet name was Douglas Malcho. Here are some unknown words in this poem. The first word is scrub. Scrub means an area covered with small low plants. An area covered with small low plants. जसं त्याला तुम्ही मराठीमध्ये झुडूप पण म्हणू शकता. रील. रील means a stream. Stream means वाफ. त्यानंतरचा वर्ड आहे musky and bass. So this is the name of the fish, specially occur in America, not in India. Then the next word is crew. Crew means sailor who work on a ship. जो जहाजावर काम करतो त्याला आपण क्रू म्हणू शकतो. त्यानंतर लेझर. लेझर मीन्स अनइम्पॉर्टंट, काही महत्त्वाचं नाही असं मराठीमध्ये. ट्रेल. ट्रेल मीन्स अ नारो पाथ. पाथ मीन्स रस्ता एक अरुंद अशा प्रकारचा रस्ता. तर बघा या ठिकाणी प्रश्न काही विचारलेले आहेत. What is the main difference between a pine tree and scrub? So in the first stanza, poet described a pine tree on the top of the hill, but a scrub in the valley. A scrub in the valley. So pine tree is a very tall, but the scrub is very short. In the next question, what is the message given at the end? So the poet gives the message at the end. If it isn't by size that you win or you fail. Okay, in the second period we learn some questions and do some activities. So we repeat these activities again. The first activity, read the words name given below, put the big size or bigger ones in the big circle and the smaller ones in the small circle. These activities given is on your textbook page number 4. So there are so many words: musky, tree, pine, lake, bass, bush, highway, scrub, reel, sun, star and trail. So you classified bigger size words in big circle and small size word in small circle. So the second activity from group of 4, read each stanza in the poem turn by turn. तर हे तुम्ही तुमच्याकडे जी टेक्स्टबुक आहे त्या टेक्स्टबुकमधून तुम्ही या कवितेचं वाचन करू शकता. The third question is find and write the pairs of rhyming words. So in the second period we do this activity. So once again, here are so many rhyming words such as hill reel, grass bass here near, in this way. So the third activity, complete the following with appropriate word or phrases from the poem. This activity is also learned in second period. So the first is, if you can't be a pine, if you can't be a pine, be a scrub. If you can't be a tree, be a bush, in this way. Then next activity, write whether the following sentences true or false. This activity also learn in second period. So first sentence, all must be the captain of the teams. So this sentence is false. A bit of grass can make the highway happier. This sentence is true. We win or fail depending upon size or position. This sentence is false. In this way, remaining sentence you will complete. The next activity, write an appropriation of the poem with the help of the points given below. So the title of the poem is Be the Best. The poem is written by Douglas Malcho. The poem has, how many stanza the poem has? The poem has 4 stanza. The poem has 4 stanza. So in this way you also complete this activity. Then another activity is, read the given extract from the poem Little Drops of Water by Julia Fletcher Kearney. Learn it up, set it to a tune and enjoy singing it. You may ask your teacher to help you. So look at little drop of water, little grain of sand, the little grains of sand make the mighty ocean and the pleasantness land. Okay, so in this way we learn the poem Be the Best and do the activity based on the poem Be the Best. So in the next period we learn a story, Androcles and the Lions.